Stepping away from your comfort zone and technology and being in the moment are also surefire ways to increase levels of happiness and life satisfaction. List 10 ways you can add more nature into your life. Your list entries could include bringing more nature into your home, exercise, self care, or focus on spending more time outdoors. For example, you could go for a brisk walk in a local park or a forest once a week, perhaps inviting a friend to join you for a happiness extra credit. Surround yourself with glorious chlorophyll by visiting your local garden center and buying some pet plants for your home. Thank you for watching.